Imagine turning a rundown property into a gold mine or securing a steady income stream for years. What's your real estate dream? We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Deciding between a fix and flip strategy or a buy and hold approach can be daunting, but understanding key metrics can make all the difference. The after repair value, ARV, is your crystal ball, estimating how much a property could sell for after renovations. This is your first step to gauging potential profits. Loan to value, LTV ratio, helps you understand how much you can borrow against the ARV. Aim for an LTV of 70% or lower to minimize risks. Loan to cost, LTC, ensures you're not over-leveraging your finances. A detailed budget including all costs is crucial for this metric. Profit is the ultimate goal. Set a profit threshold, typically 20%, to make your deal worthwhile. Staging the home can significantly enhance its appeal and value. Return on investment, ROI, measures profitability relative to your investment. Use technology like data analytics to predict trends and enhance ROI. Rate of return, ROR, focuses on how quickly your investment generates returns. Pay attention to market cycles and seasonal trends to optimize your ROR. Maximum Allowable Offer, MAO, is the highest price you should pay for a property. Use the 70% rule, but adjust based on unique market conditions. GrowthSense.com simplifies finding the right properties, offering valuable market data and investment analysis tools to help you grow your portfolio.